Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious breakfast soufflé. First, gather your essential ingredients like 6 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, and 1/4 cup of your favorite grated cheese. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees F and prepare an 8-inch baking dish. Carefully separate the egg whites from the yolks into 2 separate bowls, ensuring no yolk gets into the whites. Now let's create the flavorful base. Whisk your egg yolks together with the milk, a pinch of salt, and a dash of pepper until everything is smoothly combined. In a separate pan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter and gently sauté any fillings you'd like to add, such as cooked ham, fresh spinach, or savory mushrooms. This adds wonderful depth. This next step is key for that signature soufflé lift. Using a clean bowl and mixer, beat your egg whites until they form stiff, glossy peaks, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Gently fold about 1/3 of these whipped whites into your yolk mixture to lighten it. Then, carefully fold in the remaining egg whites until just combined, being careful not to deflate them. Finally, it's time to bake your masterpiece. Gently pour the soufflé mixture into your prepared 8-inch baking dish. Place it into your preheated oven and bake for 25 to 30 minutes, or until it's beautifully golden brown and impressively puffed. Remember, soufflés are best enjoyed immediately, so serve it right away for that perfect, airy texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.